Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Yeah, I'm gonna have a new adventure, and you can tell by the hat here, I'm not on a motorcycle. We got the woman with us and the dog, and look at the view. Did you see that behind me there? Yeah, and then we got a big old bridge over there behind me right there. Anyway, welcome to my channel. This is a new adventure starting right now after this intro. This is the new intro. And also, this time, we're not on the bike either. We're in the land yacht. That means I got to have the yacht hat on. Stay tuned, guys, and enjoy these next videos from the Oregon coast. Well, I've got that pointed at me. Vicky's working hard getting the GPS set up. But I wanted to show you guys the Columbia River. I forgot that name of it. And just as I turned this on, I went the other way. So let me show you there. That's the Columbia River right there. You can't see him, but this whole top of that mountain, top of the mountain right next to us is covered in windmills. This is a very windy gorge right here. They do a lot of wind sailing down there. We're not too far from exit 109, which is Rufus. It is free camping also. But like I said earlier today, we're going to try to make it to Fort Stevens. We didn't make our reservations last night, so we're just hoping that there's an empty spot, because in the state park, guys, if you can't, you got to reserve like what, the day before you get there, or you can't. You just got to take something if it's open. Being this is Thursday, we're pretty sure, we're hoping, fingers crossed, we will be able to find an opening. Tomorrow night we would not be able to. But anyway, that is the Columbia River right there. If you've never seen it, now you have. And right across the canyon is a place we usually go, Marysville. It's pretty cool. You can look at our other videos from a few years back and see that. It's just it's like a Stonehenge. It's kind of thing. The mountain across the river there, that is Washington State. This side is Oregon State. So there's your history lesson for today. Just wanted to show you guys how beautiful it is down here next to the Columbia River. We're only going about another 5 miles. We're pushing a wind, so we're not getting very good mileage. So we're going to keep getting fuel every chance we get. But man, this is beautiful country, I'll tell you that. Isn't that right, Vicky?
Yes, dear.
Oh, you gotta talk loud now.
Yes, dear.
You sound like a frog. Still got that sore throat?
A little bit.
It's just beautiful down through here. I think we stay in trees now on, because I know when we get around Portland, it's full of trees, pine trees. It's just, there we go, entering Hood River County. We're going. That's where we're going to get fuel. Like I said, I just want to show you this. I think it's pretty. There we go. That's what it looks like. Winding through the I-84 next to Hood River. Big bridge over there.
Columbia Gorge.
Columbia. Oh, it's a Columbia Gorge, yeah. But that's Hood River. I mean, Columbia River, and we're on I-84. Isn't that what I said?
You said Hood River.
Did I say Hood? Well, we're going to Hood River.
Going to Hood River.
Oh God, you're getting me so confused.
Which is
Washington State, right there's the sign, guys. It was behind the truck. But we're in a different state. Kind of just left Portland. A little bit of traffic in Portland. We just went over, I think, the Columbia River and into Washington. Lots of traffic. Bumper to bumper back there. Anyway, just wanted to tell you, we're in Washington. Yeah, we got 8 lanes of traffic right now. And I swear a lot of these people don't know how to drive. You see that one right there? Just pulled right off in front of that big truck. People park on either side of the road here, I guess. We're still 100 miles or better away from where we're going tonight. Hopefully we can get a place there, because I'm going to be tired by the time we get there. Anyway, this is Portland, or well, not Portland anymore, but this is the traffic outside of Portland. We're headed to Seattle. Yep, looks like I'm on there. The GoPro quit. I don't know why. Oh, what do we got going on here, Vicky? You got her tight, girl. You got her tight. Let's put her in here. Let's put her in a hole. There we go, guys. Vicky fixed the camera. Yay! Thank you, Vicky.
You're welcome.
All right. We're finally into something pretty. Took us forever to get out of that traffic. I think we had 70 miles of bumper to bumper traffic. At least it wasn't stopped. But this is beautiful right here. We wanted to show you this. This is why we came all the way up here through through Washington. We wanted to see this area. We've never, or haven't been here in a long time anyway.
You are over the speed limit.
I know I'm over the speed limit. You little tattletale. Fuel prices up here. Oh boy. $5 for regular, the cheap stuff. And that's cash. Otherwise, if you got a credit card, it's going to be $5.09. I guess they didn't get the message. Joe, tell these guys that fuel prices are going down. Anyway, wanted to show you how beautiful it is. Little towns we're going through. I don't even know what the name of this town was. Got a name? Don't know. Chumuckamucka. I don't know.
Jeez.
What's that say? What's that? You read it then.
No, it went away.
Oh, yeah.
It went away before I could see how
Anyway,
it was.
here we go, guys. A little bit more of the road, and off we go. Let's see if this camera works. Guys, we got an Indian in the way. You get it? Isn't that funny? I wanted to show you the bridge, but this guy on the Indian just cut me off. Should I have some road rage? Nah, hell. I mean, like I ain't cutting nobody off. But look at this bridge. That is the ocean you're seeing right there. If you haven't seen it before, because I know some of you guys out east haven't been this far. Lots of bridges over here. I don't even know how many bridges we went over today. But we're only 10 miles away from Fort Stevens. Wish us luck that we can get a spot there, because I'm tired. It's been another 350-mile day. And if we don't get a place there, we don't have another secondary. No plan B. No plan B. So, let's, oh look, yeah, you can see the bridge. It goes, drops down, cuts over to the right there.
This is the drawbridge.
Let me roll the window up. What'd you call it?
It's the drawbridge.
A drawbridge? What the hell's a drawbridge? They drew it?
So big boats can come through.
Oh, big boats can come through. Okay. Anyway, guys, that's what I'm going to show you here. I don't know how long this video is going to be today, but it's another day of just traveling, really. We did have a nice lunch at that one spot. You've seen that at the beginning of this video. All right. Hey guys, welcome back. We got a spot. Vicky's directing me. I can only go one way.
One way.
That'd be this way. We got a spot, guys. That is awesome. It is a lot, 4 times what we thought, but that's okay. We've always wanted to stay here. We're going to. Are you sure you sent me the right way?
It was one way. You couldn't go the other way.
This looks like yurts, dear. This ain't RVs. Do you see yurts on there somewhere? Yeah, we were supposed to go straight, I think.
Let's take it here, Rick. So now we go that way.
Well, I'm
Said
back.
one way.
Well, now we know where the yurts are. All right, we're supposed to keep going straight. That was a nice little tour. Anyway, we got a room, guys. I mean, we got a spot. $44, but that's okay. We're gonna eat in. We're not even gonna go anywhere the rest of the night because it's too far to walk to where we wanted to go. But we can stay here late tomorrow and leave and then go check out what we wanted to see. And I don't know where we are, Vicky.
Okay, in loops.
Yeah, there you go. We're going for in loop. I think that road right there is the one we're supposed to have been on.
It said not to go down that road.
Oh, well. Anyway, we're okay. Now then, another one way.
Yeah. So would you like to go the wrong way?
Yeah, okay,
for
let's
it.
go that way. Anyway, guys, we'll show you what it looks like. This is Fort Stevens Campground in Oregon. We'll show you the Fort Stevens thing later. But this is the campsite. This is Fort Stevens Campground. Me and Hank will do some exploring. We're right next to the restroom, which is cool, but we got hookups anyway, so it doesn't really matter. We're gonna need hookups at least every 3rd day, so we can shower and dump whatever we need dumped, you know. But there's a bus that looks a lot like Casper. I got here. We went up to the lady, and I said, we want a place to stay tonight. She goes, you have reservations? And I said, no. She goes, okay, we got places. That's what I've been told. You go online and you look for a place to stay at these places, and they're booked up. They're full. So what you do is, if you want, take a chance, like we did. You drive up to it anyway, and just kind of like knock on the door. Is anybody home? You know? Hank, what happened? Mom gave up on you, huh?
I did this. I took care of him.
You took care of him.
Yeah.
You're a good girl.
I see you walk.
She doesn't have to walk him. I do. And guess what? He decided he had enough of something and let her go. And she had to clean it up. But this is Fort Stevens Campground. Tomorrow, I'm tired. I'm just going to kick back. We're going to have a nice meal. And tomorrow, I'll show you the shipwreck. And when we first seen it, maybe I can find a picture of it. If I can, I won't. Have to put it on when I get home. But like I've said, these videos are going to go out to the Patreon people right now. So cool trees around here. They'll get this, and it won't have the picture on it. But when I put it on YouTube, it'll have the picture because I don't have those with me. But we went there, and that was a big ship when we first seen it. And now, well, you'll see it pretty soon. Let me go put a video together. I have no bars here. I can't send it out, upload it right now. But I'm going to get it ready, and then we'll upload it on the road tomorrow. This may be it. If so, thanks for following. Look at that boy. He's looking at. He wants me to come in. All right. See y'all later.